Find the electric field in the region, the overlapped region between the two spheres. Now let's find out. First, we should know how to write if there is a density in positive density and negative charge density. We should remember the formula in terms of rho. So I'll formulate it. We know that anywhere inside, the formula is kqx by r cube. Now since it's a sphere, the charge will be density into volume up to that particular distance x. So we can write 4 by 3. Okay, I'm actually talking about total charge. So I'll be taking entire volume. Okay, and 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is the charge. So I'll keep it here. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon into 4 by 3 pi r cube x divided by r cube. So we have 4 pi r cube cancelled, and we have density rho x by 3 epsilon. So that is the electric field intensity anywhere inside in terms of rho. So to find electric field at this point inside, I'm taking electric field between the two overlapped region between the two spheres. Now I'm taking electric field, say here, this distance a is given to us. Okay, so I'm finding the electric field at this intersection point. What can I write here? Electric field due to plus region will be rho, I'm calling it as x vector, x by 3 epsilon, just like this. And for negative region, the arrow would be inwards. Okay, so I'm again making like this. This is the electric field at this point in this direction, and this is the electric field towards the center of this negative sphere, because it is negative. This is positive, so it is going outwards. So for the negative region, we get rho, I'm calling this as y. You can call any other number, say p, I'm calling this q. Okay, q I cannot use. I'll use say s. Okay, so rho s vector upon 3 epsilon. So this is p and this is s vector. Now if you see, this is the p vector and this is the s vector. If I happen to add it, it will become this vector, isn't it? This, by simple triangle law of vector addition. So net field will be in this direction, that is rho by 3 epsilon. I can take common, p plus s. This p plus s becomes c1 c2. I can write it as 3 epsilon c1 c2. This is given as c1, this is given as c2. I can write it as c1 c2 vector. And we have been given the magnitude of this c1 c2, which is a. So a vector, that is the answer to the question. So how the design would be, you can see that this entire thing is constant. That means the electric field will be in this direction, and magnitude will be rho a by 3 epsilon. You can write it as a cap or I cap if I am following this direction as the positive x-axis.